So here this one is my Volvo wheel loader. Its complaint has come. The transmission oil is leakage and near the transmission filter. So I'm going to show you where is the transmission filter and where is the leakage. This is the transmission pressure sensor. Okay, so problem is that is the filter. Okay, it is installed on the filter. So its problem is that here is this minor leak here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this sensor and check why the transmission oil is leaked from here. Connector, I will remove this first connector. Okay, after it I will remove this sensor and check the sensor, what is the issue to this sensor. So be with me. So as you can see, I have removed the connector. So now I am removing the transmission pressure sensor. So here you can see in my hand there is a transmission oil pressure sensor. I have removed it and I am inspecting it. So I checked that its O-rings are become very hard, and due to this hardness the oil was leaking from here. So here you can see I am removing the O-rings. They are very hard. It's very difficult to remove it because they are become very hard like a stone. So after removing this O-ring, I will fix new one and then I will fix back this sensor and we'll see the problem is finished or not. You can see the viewers, these seals are become very hard. So very hardly remove these seals. So I'm going to fix new. So as you can see, I have fixed new O-rings. So now this sensor will not leak. There was a leak oil due to the old O-rings was very hard. So you can see viewers, now as fixing this sensor back. So okay, so you can see I fixed back this sensor, also fixed the connectors, and my work is finished. Now I will start the machine and check if there is any leak or not. Okay, so hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Now I have started the machine. I'm going to check the sensor leak or not. You can see here my sensor. This is my finger, you can see. So I'm checking here. So you can see my finger is totally dry. No leakage anymore. Hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.